Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds Sony from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here at the last line we have a button for get this device, and we need to tap this button to remove these earbuds. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with these earbuds, but without removing it from the device list, you need to select disconnect. This is a third line, and you tap on it. But let's remove it. So forget this device and forget device. After that, you can put your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!